Hello, good morning, students. After summer vacation, I am going to start in physics your chapter 2, magnetic effect of electric current. Before we start this chapter, first we know few previous things like what is definition of magnet, how many types of magnets, what is property of magnet, like this. Then I will start our lecture from definition of magnet. Magnet, those substance which attract small pieces of iron, is known as magnet. Clear, all of you? Those substances which attract small pieces of iron is known as magnet. Types of magnet. Types of magnet. Two types of magnet. First, natural magnet. Natural magnet. The magnet which is found in nature is known as natural magnet. Like example, here I will write example: lodestone, magnetite, etc. Clear, all of you? Natural magnet, example lodestone, magnetite. Second, artificial magnet. Artificial magnet. The magnet made by man by artificial means. Is known as artificial magnet. Example with figure I will make clear. Bar magnet, north south. Bar magnet. Second, U-shaped magnet. This one, North Pole, South Pole. U-shaped magnet. Third, horseshoe magnet. Just like horseshoe, north and south. Horseshoe magnet. Magnetic compass. All of you know that this is used by travelers to find the direction. In one direction, arrow are made, and in another direction, like this. In this way. This is known as North Pole, and that is known as South Pole. This is magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. compass, etc. Then these few examples of artificial magnet. After this, I will discuss property of magnet. Property of magnet. First property, attractive property. Attractive property. Attractive property. What do you mean by attractive property of magnet? The magnet attract a small pieces of iron is known as attractive property of magnet. Means which one definition given? Definition of magnet, same things. Attractive property of magnets are known as. Second, directive property of magnet. Directive property of magnet. Magnet. Directive property of magnets means what? When we one bar magnet we will take, and this bar magnet tie with thread like this, and suspended through fixed support. Then this magnet always lies in north-south direction. This magnet always lies in north-south direction. This property of magnet is known as directive property of magnet. For example, suppose this is one magnet and this is north pole and that is south pole. With thread, if we tie here and suspend it, then what happens? This magnet north pole always lies in north direction and south pole always lies in south direction. This property of magnet is known as directive property of magnets. Again, third, like pole repel to each other and unlike pole, like pole attract to each other. After this you cannot able to see, I think. Unlike pole attract to each other, to each other. Clear? Means suppose this two bar magnet, north, south, north, south. If we bring, then you see here, this is south pole and this is north pole. Then what happens? Unlike pole. Then if you bring near to each other, then what happens? We experiences attraction between them. Attraction between bar magnets. But if we bring like so, south and here I will write north, then what happens? If you bring near these two magnets, bar magnets, close to each other, then what happens? Like pole here, then what happens? How many times you try, but we cannot able to join these two magnets. Why? Because their repulsion takes place. Why? Because same pole is there, like pole are there. That's why here written like pole repel to each other and unlike pole attract to each other. Next, fourth property of magnet. The strength of magnet, strength of magnet is maximum at pole. At pole means if anyone student asking or comes in mind here, suppose this is bar magnet north and south. Then where its power is maximum, then fourth property of magnet is strength of magnet is maximum at pole. Means here its power is maximum at the pole and minimum or zero at the center. Minimum or zero at the center. This is fourth property of magnet. Fifth property of magnet, all of you say here. Here, isolated pole does not exist. Isolated pole does not exist. Does not exist. Isolated pole does not exist means what? Suppose this is one bar magnet and this is north pole and that is south pole. If we break them from middle, then what happens? If you thinking this is the north pole and that is south pole, then it is impossible. Here again south pole generate and here again north pole generate. That's why my isolated pole does not exist. A single pole does not exist. Means pole always lies in pair. Then this is 5 property of magnet. Clear all of you? Again, I will discuss here. Next topic. Magnetic field. Space or the space or region where we experience attraction or repulsion. Attraction or repulsion. Repulsion is known as magnetic field. Magnetic field is known as magnetic field. Suppose 2 bar magnet. This is example of 2 bar magnet and this is north pole and that is south pole. If we bring, all of you know that if we bring this one near to each other, then like pole here, then repulsion not takes place. But if you have at this distance, then anyone repulsion we experiences? No. We bring close to each other like this. After some space or region where we can experience repulsion. After some distance when you remove, then we are try to close, but this 2 bar magnet we are not able to close. We experiences repulsion between them. Or suppose like this one, unlike pole, then what happen? After some distance you bring, then what happen? They can join. Attraction we can experiences. Then that region or area where we can experience it, attraction or repulsion, that region are known as magnetic field. Magnetic field line. Magnetic field line. Magnetic field line. How we can draw the magnetic field line? For this you will take 1 magnets, bar magnets, 1 magnetic compass, pencil and 1 drawing sheet. And you drawing sheet keep on the cardboard in middle and first on there you may put the bar magnets. Bar magnets and make the boundaries. It's north and south. Here you can put the magnetic compass. Suppose this is magnetic compass and this is the north pole and that is south pole. Again when you put here where north pole, use south pole next time. Where you put the magnetic compass, you coincide the south pole. Then like this again. This is north pole and that is south pole. Here again you put. Suppose this is there. Again here you will put magnetic compass and find out what is the direction of magnetic compass needle. Suppose like this. Again here you will put. Like this. Again here you will put. In this way. Then which one structure we can find out? I will make again here. You remove that, you can dotted make here, dot, 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 like this. Then after removing this and join this dot point, then we can find a closed curve. We can find a closed curve. And not only single magnetic fixed line we can draw, able to draw. We can able to draw infinite magnetic fixed line like this. Infinite. Here also. Like this. Infinite. How many you want to draw magnetic fixed line? That much. After this, property of magnetic field line we can study. Property of magnetic field line. Property of magnetic field line. Before we are studying property of magnet, but here I am going to study property of magnetic field line. First, magnetic field line started from north pole and entered to south pole. Magnetic field line always start from north pole and enter to south pole, like so. Magnetic field line started from north pole and enter to south pole. Second, magnetic field line is always closed curve. Magnetic field line magnetic field line is always closed curve. Third, no two magnetic field lines intersect to each other. No two magnetic field lines intersect to each other. Then these three property of magnet. Magnetic field line always start from north pole and enter to south pole. Second, magnetic field line is always closed curve. And last one, no two magnetic field line intersect to each other. After this, if any one student or raise question in mind, why magnetic field line are no two magnetic means no any one magnetic field line like this, in this way. We are not getting. Why? Because at same point, suppose first time you magnetic compass put here, and in that times north needle indicate that direction, and second time when you put magnetic compass here, and that times showing magnetic compass needle this direction, it is impossible. When you put at this point magnetic compass, then it north needle always lies in same direction, always rest in same direction. It is not possible at same point magnetic compass needle at two observation show two different direction. That's why no two magnetic field line intersect to each other. After this, when property of magnet I discuss, then second property which one I discuss, directive property of magnet. When a bar magnet suspended freely, then it is always rest in north-south direction. All of you thinking why? Suppose this is magnet, then if suspended tied with thread, suspended through fixed support, then why it is always lies in north-south direction, and north needle in north direction and south needle in south direction? Why? This is free to move in any one direction, but why this is happening? For example of this, because Earth is